Hey guys, welcome to the fourth part in the Roblox scripting for beginners tutorial. Today we're going to be covering functions. So let's get straight into it. So just create a new script here. And now, a function allows you to only have to write some code once, and then you can just rerun that code wherever you want by calling that function. So say I want to change the workspace.baseplate dot transparency minus equals 0.1, and then workspace dot baseplate dot anchored equals not workspace dot baseplate dot anchored. This is obviously not really going to do much in this case, but whatever. So let's say I wanted to do that several times. Now, this is obviously completely illogical. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this and we're going to create a new function. To do that, we write function, epic function. You can name this whatever, of course. Do two brackets, so closing and an opening and closing bracket, and at the end, hit enter, and it should automatically create this little end part. So then we just have to place our piece of code in there, and then after we can write epic function. And now this code will be run using this call. So if I hit run, you'll see it now just falls because obviously we didn't change the... You know what, actually we're going to remove this texture on the base plate just so it's more visible. So we're going to do that. You'll see it just falls. Of course it's still not very visible because 0.1 is not that much. But if I were to recall that function 5 times and run, you'll see. Sorry, a little oopsie there. It should be plus equals. My bad. So hit run, and now you'll see that it's gone quite invisible, and it's now falling. So if I were to run it one less time, let's say, you'll see that it won't fall anymore because it's not being, in the end, it's not being unanchored, but it's still going quite invisible. Functions are extremely useful. They are very useful. Real quick, I kind of forgot to mention this during the video, so this is like after editing. If you were to write local function, that would mean that this is only available after it has been declared. So let's go hello world again, and then I'll also write a function, a normal function, by world. Then I'll print by. And in this one, I'll print hi. Now, if I were to go above both of them and write by world, you'll see that it works fine, no errors. But if I were to write hello world, you'll see that it doesn't even let me, like, autocomplete to that. You'll see it gives an error. Unknown global hello world. This is because it is local. This is a global function, which allows it to be accessed from anywhere, while local only allows it to be accessed from where it is and past that point. So if I were to put this hello world call after, you'll see that it works just fine. But that pretty much covers them, honestly. In my opinion, I think that covers them. You can put any code you really want in here. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.